Hello, good day. This is Angelo Santos. So today I will show you how you can save this page template and put it to your other sites and group pages. So I have some pages here, just an example. So for instance, I want this page 3 template to be available on my other sites. So what I can do is go here on the right section, the top right section, click these three lines or the hamburger icon, and you will see the option save as template. So what this do is to save your template, and this will be available to be like imported or be saved, and you can use it to your other sites and group pages. So you can see there's a green indication that the content is saved. So that means that we already saved this template. Now we will go back to our group pages, and this is the page, the site that we have open. So let's just go on this section and put that page on this. So it's loading, and you will see on the page section that it only has a page 2, which is this one, right? So I will go to page and I will add a new page, and you will see here on the top section there is my templates, and you will see now this page 3. This is the page that we have saved. So if we select this one, you will see that this will be the page that we have saved, and that's how you can clone and do it. So as you can see, this has been added to your page other than the other side. So I hope this helps and have a great day. Bye bye.